Before my time, things weren't just made, they were built to last. You didn't buy a new toaster every 2 years because the old one suddenly stopped working. You bought one, and it stayed with you long enough to be considered a member of the family. If it broke, you didn't throw it out, you fixed it. I had a refrigerator that lasted 30 years. It made a slight humming noise, but it never quit. Today's appliances? Fancy touchscreens, Wi-Fi connectivity, they tell you the weather, until one day they just give up and refuse to turn on. And guess what? The repair costs more than a new one. They don't even want you to fix it. Even furniture was different. You bought a table, and it was solid wood, heavy enough that moving it was a family event. Now, everything comes in a box, and you have to assemble it with an Allen wrench the size of a toothpick. And you better not tighten the screws too much, or you'll strip the wood, or whatever material that's supposed to be wood. And cars? Oh, don't get me started. My first car was a tank. Steel frame, real chrome bumpers, and an engine you could actually see without needing a computer to diagnose what's wrong. If something broke, you popped the hood, grabbed some tools, and fixed it. Today, your car breaks down, and it needs a software update. Even clothes lasted longer. You bought a good pair of shoes, and they lasted years. You took care of them, polished them, maybe even had them resoled. Now, you've got shoes made of foam that fall apart before the season ends. It's funny, people are living longer, but our stuff is getting weaker. Everything is disposable now. But you know what isn't? The memories, the moments, the stories. Those are built to last. And let me tell you, I may not be built like I was in my younger days, but at least I outlasted my last 3 toasters. Go to avidasana.com and order your health supplement today.